So we are starting with the Krita today, and here today I'm going to show how to work with the layers and the eyedropper tool, the use of eyedropper tool, which is very interesting. So let's use the same process, the custom document and the create button you have to take, and to draw two flowers. So what is our task today? We are going to draw two flowers. So first check on the pen, what pen you are having, and check on the color. So what color you are having. So you take a suitable nice color, one beautiful color, which will be a pretty form of the flower. So increase the canvas size, and we will draw a freehand drawing of the flower. So this is the brush 40 I am using at the moment. So you can change it also. So I would like to decrease it a bit because it is very thick. And now I will draw the freehand, the petals of the flower. So currently I am using a stylus to draw this flower. Merge the flower all the lines properly because that will help you to fill the color. In this layer only I will use the fill bucket to fill the color. So some nice shade I will take, and then I will click on the fill bucket and try to fill the areas. I am showing the tool options so that if you want this kind of a glow and all that, so please check into your settings. This should be like this. So 100% opacity I have taken, and the brush size was 37. While you are doing the fill bucket, take care that you are onto your this particular brush, and your drag fill mode should be like this. Anti-aliasing I have actually made it like that, and grow, and also all these parameter if you keep in your application also in this way, probably you'll get something like this. Now we will click on this particular plus sign to get another layer. So click on the layer button and add a layer, and this time I'm going to make a little pine uh, part of the flower, the another part of the flower. So let's take little bit of brown color shade, and then I will just zoom out and try to draw the little tail part of the flower. So I will just draw it from here, and I'll make an extension like this. Now as you are seeing here, this particular drawing, so I will make the second flower on this part. Now I will add another layer. So this particular layer, layer 2, is only having this brown color little line part which is holding the flower. Now here I will come, and just again I need that same purple color. So I will click on this outline color, and I will get the exact shade of it. My brush is there. So brush is 37. So let me keep it in this way only, and let me draw another flower. So take care, the brush tool should be present. Your color again got changed. So let me again use the eyedropper. Click on the color and then click on the brush. So color is there, brush is there. So let's start. So this is also 37. Now it is looking little bigger because the canvas is little magnified. So let me just put the outline in this way, the middle circle, and then let's draw the flower. So I could just accommodate here 3 petals of it. So you can draw any number. Now here as I see little tail is coming out. So I will go back to my previous layer where this brown stem kind of a thing I have made. Then I'll take the eraser tool. I'll take the small eraser tool on the rectangle fashion. Also this is also possible, or let me see with the finger one what it does and how far it deletes. So take care you're on that particular layer where this brown stem is appearing. So I will slowly just with some random clicks, I will try to erase that particular part. Fine. So it seems to have gone away. Now it's perfectly white. Now here again I will come back to this particular layer of the flower petal. Now I need the inside fill color. So again I will go back to the pen and I'll check whether I'm having the correct fill color and the fill bucket I will use, and I'll click on the bucket area, and that way I will click on these areas to have the shading. Now once I am done with this two flower set, what I will do, I'll use the shift key and click on the layers which is having it, then right click it and then group, and you can use the shortcut key Control G. So now you duplicate the layer, the complete layer. Now after duplicating the complete layer, just press on the Control T. You will see that you are having two drawings of it. So just pick it up and lift it. Come back to that previous layer and you can just resize it again like this. Fine. So we can have multiple layers of this kind. So you only have to go to the grouped layer. We can do a lot of extensions over here, like say giving a gradient. Okay. So the gradient also looks nice, a gradient background. So let's expand this particular thing so that we can shift it. So gradient layer, I have brought it here. You can name them. So naming the layer is very easy. Again, just type the thing. So we can say the gradient shade layer. And here we can use some nice gradient, one appropriate gradient for this whole drawing. So gradient tool is here, tool selections and the radial. Okay. So let's go by the radial. So let this little purplish thing I have done. So I would like to show you this Control T. There is a tool which can scale it in a 2D form. So you can just keep your image in that way also. So this is also possible using the transform tool. So in whatever way you want it, you can just rotate the image also, give a little bit of rotation, and the scaling can be done in various ways, whatever you want. Now save the file as a KRA file. Definitely keep it as a KRA file. And when you want to save it as an image file, go to the